Obviously, kids, regardless of how sheltered we try to keep them, not letting them watch the news or get on social media, which I think are always good things, they are hearing about it. They hear it just in casual adult conversation. They hear about it if the news happens to be on in the background or just on the radio in the car. So kids are hearing about coronavirus, and they understandably and naturally have lots of questions about what it means, whether they're safe. We're seeing a big rise in anxiety right now because of the sort of the heightened awareness of the outbreak. So what I tell kids, and what I tell parents of kids more importantly, because whether the kids listen or not is a bit of a question, but there are things that we should be doing even in pre-COVID and God willing post-COVID times. Places where there's lots of people gathered together, everybody has slightly different standards of hygiene. So things like wiping down shopping cart handles, things like washing your hands before you eat. Of course, after using the restroom is always a good plan. And in these days right now, while there's so much virus that's out just sort of in the community, and there are at-risk individuals, mask use is highly recommended and will help slow the spread of the virus. That much does seem to be pretty clear from the evidence we have right now. Basic hygiene measures, number one of which should be washing your hands. So if you are going to venture out to a playground or to a public place, if your kids are going to daycare, washing hands when they get home, maybe a change of clothes at the very most. The good news is if kids are playing outside, UV light from the sun, as with most viruses, does seem to have an effect on killing the virus. If kids are in outdoor spaces, wind will carry away aerosolized particles. So outdoors is actually a fairly safe place to be. And you couple that with the beneficial effects of having sunlight on raising vitamin D levels, which may also be somewhat protective against most viral illnesses and give your immune system a boost. That would be my 2 cents on A, prevention, and B, living a life where you're COVID smart.